Web development might sound like a complex and technical field. It can feel intimidating from the outside looking in. But at its core, web development is simply the art and science of building websites and web applications. Think about all the websites you visit every single day. From social media platforms and online news sites to your favorite online stores and blogs, a web developer built every single one of them. They are the architects and builders of the digital world we all inhabit. Their work is what allows us to connect, learn, shop, and be entertained on the internet. It is a creative and logical process combined into one exciting career. The field of web development is generally split into two main areas. These areas are called front-end development and back-end development. Front-end development is everything you see and interact with in your browser. This includes the layout, the colors, the fonts, and the buttons you click on. The front-end developer's job is to make sure the website looks good and is easy for people to use. On the other hand, back-end development is the part of the website you don't see. It is the engine that runs behind the scenes. This includes the server, the application logic, and the database where all the information is stored. For example, when you log into an account, the back-end is what verifies your username and password. When you buy something online, the back-end processes your payment and updates the store's inventory. Some developers choose to specialize in both front-end and back-end work. These multi-talented individuals are known as full-stack developers. They have a comprehensive understanding of the entire process of building a website, from the visual design to the server-side logic. This guide will focus primarily on the path to becoming a front-end developer. It is often the most accessible starting point for beginners. It allows you to see your progress visually and quickly, which can be very motivating as you begin your journey into the world of coding and creating for the web. To begin your journey as a web developer, you don't need a lot of expensive equipment or complicated tools. Your current computer is likely powerful enough to get started. The most important tools you will need are software-based, and many of them are completely free. The first thing you will need is a good web browser. You probably already use one like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. As a developer, you will use your browser not just for viewing websites, but also for testing and debugging the code you write. The next essential tool is a code editor. While you could technically write code in a simple text application like Notepad, a dedicated code editor will make your life much easier. Code editors are designed specifically for writing code. They offer features like syntax highlighting, which colors your code to make it easier to read and understand. They also provide auto-completion, which suggests code as you type, and error detection to help you find mistakes. Some popular and free code editors for beginners include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom. Picking one is a matter of personal preference.